Hello friends, welcome back to KACC Creator. Today let's learn to create another landscape, a very colorful one. In the last landscape painting, the area of canvas was divided into three portions, namely the sky, land and water. Today we will concentrate in the center point, that is the mid portion, the area where we want the eyes of the viewers to rest. That is, one should be led to the particular focal point. First we will apply gesso primer, then color wash. After that we will start our painting work. We will use some palette knife techniques with various knives. We will apply colors to give graded values. I also have some palette knives with me. We will be using 2-3 of them as per requirement. What's very important is that I have a basket of confidence. That's very important. Let's walk through fresh and colorful flowers like bougainvillea, vines and trees, inhaling the fragrance of mud in the drizzling rain. It's rainy season now. You may hold an umbrella if you so wish, or make paper boats for fun. Ready? Let's go.